Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make redstone sliding doors in Minecraft. Start by gathering your core components for a functional redstone sliding door. You'll need 12 sticky pistons, 24 pieces of redstone dust, 4 redstone torches, and 2 pressure plates or a lever. Also, prepare a stack of building blocks for the door frame and surrounding structure. This setup creates a seamless 2x2 door, perfect for your base. Next, position your sticky pistons. Place 2 sticky pistons on each side of your 2-block-wide door opening, facing inwards. Leave a 2-block gap between the pistons and the door blocks. Now, run redstone dust from the back of these pistons, connecting them to a power source. For longer distances, remember to incorporate redstone repeaters every 15 blocks to maintain signal strength. To power your door, dig a 2-block deep trench directly under the door opening. Place a redstone torch on the side wall of this trench, 1 block below the ground level, on both sides. Connect these torches to your main redstone line using redstone dust. Finally, cover the trench with building blocks and place your pressure plates directly on top to activate the hidden mechanism. With the mechanism in place, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully conceal all visible redstone components and wiring using your chosen building blocks. This makes your sliding door look seamless and integrated into your structure. Test the door several times to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. You can also customize the door blocks themselves to perfectly match your base's design.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.